Welcome back to Outstanding Guru YouTube channel. Today we bring you 50 important general knowledge questions on the Indian freedom movement. These questions are very useful for competitive exams. The revolt of 1857 began from which place? Answer is Meerut. Who was the leader of the revolt of 1857 in Kanpur? Answer is Nana Sahib. Who was known as the hero of Bihar during the 1857 revolt? Correct answer is Kanwar Singh. Who was the first martyr of the revolt of 1857? Answer is Mangal Pandey. Do you know Mangal Pandey attacked British officers at Barakpur? He is remembered as the spark of India's first freedom struggle. Who described the revolt of 1857 as the first war of Indian independence? Correct answer is V.D. Savarkar. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? Correct answer is 1885. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? Answer is Bhumesh Chandra Banerjee. Who is called the Grand Old Man of India? Correct answer is Dada Bhai Nauroji. The famous book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India was written by Yes, Dada Bhai Nauroji. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Yes, Tilak was known as Lokmanya. He, along with Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal, formed the famous Lal Bal Pal trio of nationalist leaders. Partition of Bengal was carried out in which year? Answer is 1905. Who annulled the partition of Bengal? Correct answer is Lord Hardinge. Who founded the All India Muslim League in 1906? Answer is Aga Khan. The Swadeshi movement was launched to oppose Yes, partition of Bengal. Vande Mataram was composed by Answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa in the year? Answer is 1915. Gandhi's first satyagraha in India was at? Correct answer is Champaran. Gandhiji fought against the oppression of indigo farmers in 1917. This was his first major success in India and the start of his leadership in the national movement. The Rowlatt Act was passed in which year? Answer is 1919. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in correct answer is Amritsar. On 13th April 1919, General Dyer ordered open fire on thousands of unarmed people gathered on Baisakhi. This event shocked the entire nation and the world. Who was the viceroy during the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Correct answer is Lord Chelmsford. The non-cooperation movement was launched in correct answer is 1920. The Chowri Chowra incident led to withdrawal of answer is non-cooperation movement. The Dandi March began in answer is 1930. The Salt March started from correct answer is Sabarmati Ashram. The Quit India movement was launched in answer is 1942. Who founded the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association? Answer is Sachindranath Sanyal. Who was involved in the Kakori conspiracy case? Answer is Chandrasekhar Azad and Ram Prasad Bismil. Who threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly in 1929? Answer is Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt. Do you know they did not intend to kill anyone? The idea was to make a loud protest against British laws. After throwing the bomb, they shouted slogans and surrendered to inspire Indians. Who was hanged along with Bhagat Singh? Answer is Rajguru and Sukhdev. Who assassinated General Dyer? Correct answer is Udham Singh. Who started the Home Rule movement in India? Correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant. The Simon Commission came to India in answer is 1928. Simon Go Back slogan was given by correct answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. The Lahore session of Congress declared answer is Purna Swaraj. Who was called Frontier Gandhi? Answer is Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The Pune Pact was signed between answer is Gandhi and Ambedkar. The Cripps mission came to India in correct answer is 1942. The Cabinet Mission Plan came to India in answer is 1946. Who gave the famous slogan Do or Die? Yes, answer is Mahatma Gandhi. He gave this slogan during the Quit India movement in 1942. The message was clear: either we win freedom or we sacrifice our lives trying. The Indian Army was founded by Rash Behari Bose. Later, Subhash Chandra Bose took charge of INA and turned it into a strong fighting force with the slogan Jai Hind and "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? Yes, answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Who said this? Correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the last Governor General of independent India? Yes, correct answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Who was the first Indian Governor General of India? You're right, C. Rajagopalachari. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Correct answer is Lord Mountbatten. Do you know Mountbatten came with a mission to transfer power quickly? He advanced the date of independence from June 1948 to August 1947, leading to the partition of India and Pakistan. The Indian Independence Act was passed in correct answer 1947. Who was the British Prime Minister when India got independence? Correct answer is Clement Attlee. India got independence on very good 15th August 1947. Who was the first president of independent India? Very good. Answer is Rajendra Prasad. Who is regarded as the Iron Man of India? Very good. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Great job, everyone. You have just revised 50 of the most important questions from the Indian freedom movement. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.